Hello everyone, welcome to our reviews. This is our 22nd video of our Golang series. In the previous video we have discussed about the methods. If you haven't watched that one, please watch that because these concepts are very important when we are learning the Go. Right. Today we are going to discuss about the interfaces. First I will clear my previous code base and then interfaces are named collections of method signatures, right? First I will slowly teach you how to create the interface, what is the interface, and those kind of things I will show you, right? Then you can get the clear understanding of that. Okay, if we want to create a interface, right, first we want to use this keyword type, right? Then we can add any name here, right? I am adding geometry, right? Geometry. Then we want to set this interface, right? In here it has several, it can be have several methods, right? In here have area, right? Return type is float 64 and perimeter asset, right? That's also return float 12, right? Float 64. Then I will create a struct, right? Type. First I will create the rectangle struct, right? Rect struct. In here has some values, right? Width and height, both are int, right? I will add those things as float. Then float, right? Width and height are float. Then if we want to calculate the area, right? If we want to calculate the area, how we can calculate the area? We can use the methods, right? How we can create the methods? Fine. Then we want to receive some struct here, right? I am using like this way. Use the receiver type as rect, right? It's a value type, right? Not a pointer. Then area, right? Return type is a float 64. Then we can calculate the rectangle area. How we can calculate the rectangle area? Return. We already have discussed those things in the previous video as well, right? If you haven't watched that one, I'm again say please look into that one. Okay, then another function, there's a right? Perimeter rect perimeter. Return type is float 64, right? Return, how we can calculate the perimeter? Two multiplied by r dot width plus 2 multiplied by r dot height, right? Then that's it, right? Then if we want to use this geometry interface, right? Geometry interface to the function, how we can do that? We can simply add like in this way, font, right? Measure It's a function, and then we want to pass a interface here, right? I am passing geometry like in this way. If we got the geometry, we can use area and perimeter. How we can use that term? G dot, first I will print the G, fmt dot println, G dot area, fmt dot println, G dot perimeter, right? This is area, right? This is perimeter, right? Like this, right? Okay, how we can use those things now? First, we want to create a struct, right? I will create a struct first. How we can create a struct? Rect with the values, right? We want to pass the values with 3, height 4, like in this, right? First, we want to initialize the struct, right? Now we have finished this part, right? Because we have now width and height, right? Okay, then we can call to this measure R, like in this way. How it's happened? Because in here we are using that geometry interface, right? In the geometry interface has two methods, right? Two method signatures. What is area and perimeter, right? Using the rect struct, right, as a receiver type, we have created those two functions, right? Now we can simply pass this R to measure function, because this is also a function implementation of geometry, right? Hope you got that term, right? In here you can say implementation of this area by clicking this, right? Then this is the implementation of this area. This is the perimeter implementation, right? Hope you got that one. These are very important when we are learning about the interfaces, right? Okay, now I will measure pass the, right? Now what is the output? These are the outputs that we got, right? These are things that I want to teach you, right? How we can use the interface here, right? Interfaces are, I already told that one. Interfaces are actually collection of method signatures, right? We have area and perimeter method signatures. After that, we want to implement those things, right? This is the way that we can implement, right? Then I have created the separate function to get the measurements, right? Then we can pass R to this measure, right? How we can pass that R? Because R is a type of geometry, right? Because we have implemented those things. Okay, hope you have got clear understanding of this. If you haven't got clear understanding, please try with several examples, and if you have any questions, please put those things to comment section, then I can help you. Okay, if you learn new things, please subscribe the channel, please share this with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, bye.